Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna make bechamel sauce pasta. Bechamel sauce pasta is an Italian and French cuisine recipe. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil, salt according to your taste, 2 tablespoon mustard paste, mozzarella cheese, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and cumin powder, 1 large diced onion, 400 grams pasta, here I am taking wheat pasta, 5 cubes of butter, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 to 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 300 grams of minced meat, 3 cups of full-fat milk, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's get started. Take a pan on a medium flame, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil gets hot, add the diced onion and saute it well for about 5 minutes or till it changes its color. Add salt according to your taste. Once the color of onion gets changed, add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix it well. Now add about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and cumin powder and give it a quick mix. Then add 2 tablespoons of mustard paste. It's completely optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Now add the minced meat and give it a nice mix. Here I am adding about 300 grams of minced meat. Now finally add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Close and leave it on a low flame for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the bechamel sauce. Now take another pan on a low flame. Add about 5 cubes of butter into it. Now once the butter melts completely, add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it well with the butter. Keep stirring it until the mixture gets combined. Once the mixture gets thick, add about half cup of milk to it and mix it well until you find no lumps. Then add rest of the milk. I have added about 3 cups of full fat milk and mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Now I am adding about half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder to it. Mix it well. Then add about 1 cube of chicken stock to it. It's completely optional. I am adding it just to give a nice flavor to the sauce. And mix it well until it gets dissolved in the sauce. Now leave the sauce on a very low flame for about 5 minutes or until it becomes thick. Meanwhile, I started cooking pasta. And pasta is ready now. Now add pasta along with the meat and mix it well. Now the bechamel sauce has become thick and it's ready. Let's start assembling it. Take a baking tray and add the bechamel sauce at the end and start spreading it all over the tray. And then add the pasta and spread it evenly all over the tray. Now we are going to make the second layer. Now again add the bechamel sauce all over the pasta and spread it. Now after spreading the sauce evenly, again add the pasta above the bechamel sauce and spread it all over the tray. And again add the bechamel sauce on the top of the pasta and spread it evenly. Now add the mozzarella cheese on the top and spread it evenly. Now the layering is completely done. Bake it in an oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese turns golden brown. Now the bechamel sauce pasta is baked well and it's ready. You can see how creamy and cheesy it is. Now our bechamel sauce pasta is ready to be served. Hope you all like my recipe. Ingredients are given below in the description box. Do check it out. It tastes delicious. Please try this recipe at your home and do let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more updates. Thank you all for watching.